Hi friends, greetings from Kelkas Python Academy. Welcome back friends. So today we are going to solve a problem statement from lead code from SQL question number 1070 product sales analysis third. It is of medium type of question. Okay, so basically let's see what is the problem statement. So in SQL schema we have sales table where the schema is given to you. So sales ID is a column which is the primary key. Primary key means it is a combination of column with a unique value. Not null column is there, null value is not accepted here. Product ID, it is a foreign key. In this table it is work as a foreign key. Take the reference from the product table. Year, again it is of integer type. Quantity, again it is of integer type. Price, again it is of integer type. So product ID is a foreign key to the product table. Each row of this table shows the cell to the product ID. So product ID basically suggests the cell of the product, and each product has been identified as an unique product ID. Note that the price is given in this table is a per unit. Second table schema is a product where we have two column, product ID and product name. Product ID again it is of integer type, and product name it is a varchar type. Product ID is a primary key column with a unique value. Each row of this table indicates that the product name of each product. So basically two table is given to us, sales and product. So we have to write a solution to select the product ID, year, quantity and price for the first year of product sold. So we have to find the detail of those product which was sold as in first year. We have to find the detail of that product as in product, what is the product ID of that product, in which year that product has been manufactured, how many quantity has been purchased, and what are the price price per unit. So we have to write the query for it and return the resulting table in any order. No need to use order by clause. The result formatting is given to us. So table data is given to us as in sales table. We have three sales ID 1, 2 and 7. Any sales ID as their sales ID 1 has been generated. They had purchased the product whose product ID is 100, and their product manufactured year is 2008, and they had purchased that same product as in 10. They had purchased 10 quantity, and their price of the per product is 5000. Second sales ID has been generated. Again they had purchased the same product, that is 100, but this has been manufactured in year of 2009. They had purchased 12 quantity of this same product, and the price of this product is per unit is 5000. Second sales ID has been generated, that is 7. Third sales ID is 7. They had purchased another product whose product ID is 200, and their manufactured year is 2011. They had purchased 15 quantity, and the price of that product per unit is 9000. Again we will see the data from the product table. In product table we have basically two types of column, product ID and product name. Product ID 100 whose product name is Nokia, product ID 200 whose product name is Apple, product ID 300 whose product name is Samsung. So basically product ID 100 is identified as in Nokia, product ID 200 has been identified as in Apple, product ID 300 has been identified as in Samsung. Okay, so we have to write a code where we will get the product ID in which in which year they had sold or purchased for the first time. We have to rename that column as in first year. So product ID 100, that means it should be the name of that product ID 100 whose name is Nokia. So Nokia has been purchased first time in year of 2008, and total 10 quantity has been purchased and the price of per Nokia piece is a 5000. Again 200 product ID whose product name is Apple. So Apple has been first time has been purchased or sale in year of 2011, and in that same year up till now 15 quantity has been purchased and the price of that uh, Apple is 9000. So we have to write the code for it. So initially we will write select command. So first we will write select from sales table. So we will give the alias of the sales table as in S. Okay, we will write as in S, where year. So we will get year column. We will get year column from sales table. So for that we will write S dot year. S dot year. So we will get the first year. So for that we will use here aggregate function as in mean. So we will write select mean of year from product. Select of year from sales where product ID is equal to product ID of sales column. So for that we will write alias of sales column, that is as so we will write as an alias like this. So from here we will try to get the column product ID. So we will try to get the column from sales table as dot product ID as dot here we will write first year as dot quantity as dot price. So wherever the year should be equal to the minimum of year from the sales table, then and then it will fetch out the detail from product, then and then it will fetch the detail like product ID of that same year quantity and price from the sales table. So we had completed our query. Now we will try to run this query. We will see whether we will get expected output or not. So from here we are getting these are the two products, those who had been purchased for the first year as in 2008 and 2011 from the same with the quantity of within quantity 15 10 quantity and effective quantity, and the price of per product is 5,000 and 9,000. So likewise we have tried to analyze our product. So I hope it is very simple. You have to basically you have to basic knowledge about the joins and subquery and some of the aggregate function like mean. And before going to this question, you have to, before moving to the practical part, you have to read this problem statement thoroughly. Then it will helpful for you. So this is of today. So if you have any query regarding this problem statement, please do comment us and subscribe our channel. Thank you and sign off.